POFAN, the Portable Emergency Storage Power Bank, is a versatile and powerful power bank that can be used to charge a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and cameras. It has a large capacity of 20,000 mAh, which is enough to charge most smartphones multiple times. In addition to its large capacity, POFAN also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for everyday use and for emergencies, including POFAN supports fast charging technology, so you can charge your devices quickly and efficiently. POFAN has 4 USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at the same time. POFAN supports wireless charging, so you can charge your Qi-enabled devices without having to use a cable. POFAN has an LED display that shows you the remaining battery level. POFAN is small and lightweight, so you can easily take it with you on the go. POFAN is made from high-quality materials, so it can withstand wear and tear. POFAN is a great choice for anyone who needs a powerful and versatile power bank. It is also a great choice for people who are looking for a reliable power bank that can be used in emergencies. Here are some of the pros and cons of POFAN, the Portable Emergency Storage Power Bank. Pros: large capacity of 20,000 mAh, fast charging technology, multiple ports, wireless charging, LED display, portable design, rugged and durable. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported that the power bank can get hot when using multiple ports. The power bank does not have a built-in flashlight. Overall, POFAN, the Portable Emergency Storage Power Bank, is a great value for the price. It is a well-designed and made power bank with a number of features that make it a great choice for everyday use and for emergencies. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.